Hello friends, today we are going to learn LDR, which is light dependent resistor. Its resistance varies according to light fall on its surface. So it is the symbol of LDR. The arrow inward shows that its resistance varies according to light fall on its surface. So this is our LDR. Its surface is made of cadmium sulfide, which is light sensitive material. And according to light, its resistance varies. So when maximum light fall, then its resistance becomes low and reaches up to 100 ohm. And when minimum light fall or it is exposed to dark, then its resistance increases up to several kilo ohm. Beyond, it goes beyond 500 kilo ohm. So let us see how can we test LDR using multimeter. So I connect LDR on breadboard and its leads are connected to multimeter probes using wire and clips. So for testing, I place multimeter knob in resistance range, middle range, that is 20 kilo ohm range. Presently I am getting reading 7.4, 7.39 kilo ohm. This is according to environment light. Now when I increase darkness, so let me use this handkerchief for increasing darkness. So you can see that resistance increases. It goes beyond the range of 20 kilo ohm. Now I increase resistance range. It is again beyond 200 kilo ohm. That means it is more than 2000 kilo ohm. Now slowly I increase light. So its resistance again going low. Once again I am increasing darkness. So resistance is increasing. I increase more darkness. So resistance is increasing and it is going beyond 2000 kilo ohm. Now when I increase light, I am using mobile torch here for increasing light. You can see that resistance is going low. So I am making range low. It is 1.4 kilo ohm. I am again making range low. I increase light once again. So it is going up to 100 ohm, 80 ohm, 90 ohm range approximately. So as the light fall, its resistance goes low up to 100 ohm. And again, according to environment light, its resistance increasing up to 8K. So in this way, we can test LDR using multimeter in resistance range. We can also test LDR in continuity range. Let me see how can we test in continuity range. So I place knob in continuity range. Now at that time, according to environment light, its range is high. That means when I fall light, its reading should decrease. So I am falling light, so its reading is decreasing. And again, according to environment, it is increasing. So in this way, we can test LDR also in continuity range. But using resistance range, we can measure the resistance of the LDR in light and dark condition. But in continuity range, this is not possible. So the preferable range is to test LDR in resistance range. So if you like the video, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.